folks. This week you're going to notice a theme of hot weather. It's been extremely hot, most days over 100 degrees. So it's been a bit of a challenge, just us trying to survive in that kind of heat, let alone our construction folks trying to work in these hot temperatures. But they're pushing through. So what I have to show you this week is some good progress. We have some more work on the exterior, so I'll show you that, including the deck, which is very exciting, and then the sheetrock. So the sheetrockers were here, and I think a total of 3 days, and got the whole main floor and upstairs bedroom suite completed. Now that's just the sheetrock, so there's taping and mudding to go, and that will begin next week. But for today, let's check out what's happened this week.
I don't think Alvin's stuck in there. I don't think Alvin's stuck in there.
Our carport has a ceiling now. So the contractor put in this ceiling material. It's the same stuff that we used on the soffits. So it's got that all closed in now, except for where we got holes for the lights and some plug-ins. And by code, we have to have an attic access. So we'll be getting one of those pull-down attic ladder combinations that will go here.
Stop there.
Up top, 71 down below.
What's it was a pickleball?
Doesn't matter. Probably gonna be the left side.
That side? Okay. 70 and 7 and 71 too?
Yeah.
70 and 7 at
70 and 7 and 70.
70 and 7 at the top?
Yep. 71. 1.
71, okay.
Now you're learning.
So Sawyer and I are up here exploring what the sheetrockers got done today. They did get the ceiling in the upstairs bedroom and some of the walls. They got in this closet, which is got some boards, sheetrock boards in front of it, but kind of peeking in, I can see they got that all done. And they do have this wall, this east wall to go, but otherwise they got the master suite done, including the bathroom. What do you think, Sawyer? They did pretty good. It is so hot. It's like, oh, my temperature thing was saying it was 103 outside and 88 inside our trailer this afternoon. So it is really hot today, and it's not going to get much better this week. So it's going to be a bit of a challenge working in this heat. But they did the ceiling in the walk-in shower and up to this much of the wall. I'm not sure. We have to talk to our tile guy because, you know, I know he's going to put probably cement board before the tiling. And that's probably where the stud is. Yep, that's where the stud is. Yeah, so we'll see how that works out. But so nice to see, you know, like a definition of the rooms. Because this has all been open. It's just really different. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully they can finish up here. It's day 2 of the sheetrock going up. And these poor guys are working in the really hot weather this week. Is like pushing 100 degrees and over the next 3 or 4 days. So right when they're doing our house, our project. But let's take a look. So starting from the back door here, side door from our carport, you can see there's walls. Very nice. And ceiling now is getting defined. So I really feel the space now of these individual rooms. So this is our pantry room that we'll have right off the door. And then next, and this is kind of our general mudroom area that I'm in this hallway. We were talking about this, we have to build a bench or something around this intake. So that's for the HVAC. They have to have the airflow. They got all the ceilings. And this is the laundry room. So now I can see, hoping everything fits on this wall. It's going to be pretty tight between a utility sink, washer, and a dryer. All have to fit there. So hopefully we got a skinny enough utility sink. It's a little baby tall. It has feet, but it's super skinny. And is supposed to fit, so we'll see. And there's the fan cut out and a light. So we got one piece missing here. Maybe that's where they left off. I really didn't get a chance to come over here while they were working today. They did our hall closet and this bedroom. And And the closet that goes with this bedroom also got completed. So the team at the end of the day got a lot accomplished. So we saw them putting up the first couple of ceiling pieces of sheetrock, and they kept going. They got this entire vaulted ceiling done today. They also got both walls. So this one and the one behind me we started looking at. So they've got the wall of windows yet to do, and like some areas over here below the stairs and up in the landing area, but all the roof ceiling, I should say, is done up there as well. And then we have the kitchen wall where the cabinets and oven and refrigerator are going to go that need to be done, and the bathroom. So this was day 3. Day 3. So I'm thinking if they have 3 guys on their crew again tomorrow, maybe they can get it all done. That would be awesome. So I know it's summer here. It's not summer everywhere. Obviously, you might be somewhere where this is not the summer season, but let me know in comments what kind of temperatures are you experiencing right now. Either tell us Celsius or Fahrenheit. Being in the US, we go by Fahrenheit. So when I was talking about it being 100+ degrees, that's Fahrenheit. I think I want to say that's like 40 Celsius. But share a comment. How hot is it where you are? So it is another super duper hot day at Camp Life. The thermometer outside that was in the shade said 108. I don't know if that is really true, but it's darn hot. And our AC in the trailer is not adequate. I'll just say that. But we've had some good progress here today. You saw the Sheetrock team working on the wall of windows. Let me show you what they got done. So they were able to finish the wall of windows today, as well as this back kitchen wall that was still not done earlier, so they got all that, as well as the bathroom. And while I'm here, they also did the wall kind of heading down just one side for some reason. We hadn't really expected them to sheetrock this part because we're leaving the basement unfinished for now. But maybe there was some reason they had to do part of it. It does back this bathroom, and they completed the sheetrock in here. We're gonna have tile around the bathtub, you know, so that's waiting for the more like cement board that you would put in underneath tile. And they did do the top on the part because the tile will just come up to the top of the window. So it looks like the sheetrock kind of phase one of getting it all up on the walls, and the major, you know, outlets and where lights go have been cut out. We did find one that they didn't cut out yet, so we've got to have some follow-up on that. But I think next will be the team. There's a different team that does the taping and mudding of all the joints and sanding and mud again. If you've ever done sheetrock, it's quite a process, and we'll be super duper dusty in here while all that's going on. We're getting ready for next week. Thanks so much for coming along with us this week. Next week we should have more progress inside the house. I'm expecting the mud and tapers. I'm working on the sheetrock next week to get those surfaces finished. That'll be really exciting to see finished walls, and then whatever steps come next. So please like and subscribe, and come back next week to see our progress. Thanks.